What's up, guys? Actually out with the red V3 Kraton. As you can see, finally got my tower-to-tower brace all sorted out on this guy. I've got the power system, the Hex 6 and Hobbystar 4092 long can motor in this guy from my V4 right now. The V4 is completely torn down for full bearings and an M2C chassis. So once I get that back together, put the new power system in that one, this guy's going to get torn apart. So that'll probably be later on this week. So this might be the last run for the guy. Or for the V3 until it gets some major upgrades. The V3 might also be going home in a body bag because I got new ramps. So we might get some broken parts today. All right, first jumps with the ramps. Let's not take it full speed, but okay. This is going to be fun. Oh man, get some pretty good distance with these. Man, something ain't sounding happy, but something doesn't sound too happy in this thing, but we keep running it. This thing's in need of a full rebuild. I mean, got full bearings for it. Got a M2C chassis for it. And then some other parts coming, but it looks like the diff's unloading. Center diff is unloading quite a bit, so might need to rebuild that. Oh man, oh, ramps. This is what you got to do. This is what you need. This is what everybody needs. Oh, almost got it. Oh, too much. Oh, yeah, that's broken. Shock end. Look at that, pulled the shock end right out. That ain't bad. I got the parts. We can rebuild him. So like a bonehead, I forgot my shock rod ends and zip tie to the rescue. So we'll see how good these Harbor Freight zip ties hold together. And back to bashing. Kind of want to stack these ramps to make it go even more vertical, but Oh man, is this thing fun. Man, yeah. Either one of the diffs or something isn't happy in this, so. It worked. Wow. Oh man. I love these ramps. Ramps are the way to go. All right, round two. Yeah, something's kind of making noise. It might be I don't have this thing like gear mesh right. Thought it was right when I Loctite it all together. Definitely seems like it's unloading too much to the front diff, so I think this front diff may have leaked out or that shut it off. Look at fan still going. That guy's a champ. Yeah, I definitely think that shaving the top of the heatsink off of this thing totally fixed it. Oh, these rips are awesome. Who needs dirt mounds now when you've got ramps? I really kind of want to hit these ramps at full speed, see how much distance I could get. But I'm gonna wait till the later my last battery, and because I have a feeling I won't correct right, and I will break something. I mean, not like stuff's already broken, but you know. Oh! Been meaning to not hit that. LVC right there. Oh, I just felt it dip right off as I was approaching the ramp. That was close. Oh man. Well, I'll tell you what, another solid day with the good old beater. Hey, chassis's still straight, so that's nice. Good old reliable. Definitely needed some love and a rebuild, but she's gonna get that soon. So y'all take care. Keep the shiny side up.